Holtop is the leading manufacturer in China, specializing in the production of air-to-air heat recovery equipment and indoor air quality solutions. It has manufacturing bases in Beijing, covering more than 70,000 square meters. The annual production capacity of air heat recovery units is more than 200,000 units. Holtop builds a sound certificate system of ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OHSAS 18001, as well as product certification systems such as CB, CE, ROSE, UKCA, and CRM. As a well-known manufacturer in the field of heat recovery, Holtop has a strong R&D team and possesses dozens of national invention patents, and has participated in the compilation work of several national standards. Moreover, it has a laboratory certified by the national authority. Holtop has mastered the core technology of heat recovery, independently developing products like plate and rotary heat exchangers, high-efficiency heat and energy recovery ventilators, air handling units, and air conditioning systems. With high-quality products and services, Holtop has offered ODM service for many world-famous brands. Products have been exported to more than 100 countries and regions, and continuously rank the top in the domestic market. Holtop will always be committed to the mission of delivering highly efficient and energy-saving products to improve indoor air quality, ensure people's health, and protect our Earth.